Hey, Miles here, milesbeckler.com. In this video, you're gonna learn what the X factor is to your success. The X factor being the umami or the secret sauce or that unique little thing that's gonna help you break through to achieve the success that you desire. Now, you've probably been looking around and wondering, what is it? Is it a method? Is it a traffic source? Is it a type of funnel? Is there some sort of software? Is there some hack to making the money? And I'm here to tell you right now definitively that the X factor to your success is you. It's being 100% uniquely you, because only you have had the experiences, the education, the background, the professional experiences, the non-professional experiences. Everything that has made you a unique human being on this earth is helping set you up to be a very unique business owner or content creator, or there's something magic about you. And that's what the goal of this video is to not only share the idea that it's within you that lies your kind of ultimate success, but I want to help you understand why. So I tell a lot about in this channel how I've grown the business, and that works for me. I have unique learning styles, I have unique communication styles, I have unique teaching styles. You might be very different. So my goal with this channel is to give you a basic roadmap, to show you a way, or there's a few ways that my wife and I are actively pursuing that are creating the income we use to live our life. But the goal is not for you to follow step by step exactly everything that I've done, because you're a unique human being. You need to sprinkle on that little bit of you-ness to make it 100% authentically you. This is where your passions come in, to where your ultimate best content creation style comes through. Maybe you're an excellent podcast interviewer, right? You love talking to people and interviewing is just your thing. You could probably go forth with an interview style podcast in that situation and absolutely crush it, which is something my wife and I haven't done at all. There's going to be some structural things within the business model that are always going to be the same, right? I'm always going to tell people, grow a list. I'm always going to tell people, grow an audience, give lots of value for free. Those things are given, but how you do that is going to be uniquely you. And the more authentic it is, the more authentic you're able to be, the more people are going to connect with you. And that's really what makes someone successful in this world we live in this hyper-connected age, because everything is now able to be automated, everything's able to be we want it instantly, it's super fast, it's on demand, it's on our cell phones, which are essentially smartphones in our pocket. But what's kind of starting to dwindle away in our world is authenticity, is that feeling of one-to-one connection that you and I are having right now. I'm taking a moment out of my Sunday evening, it's almost 9 o'clock at night on Sunday, but I'm taking time because I'm driving all day tomorrow to make sure that I'm getting this content out for you. And I've spent a lot of time researching, thinking, wondering, what am I going to help? What can I help you with today to get that next level of understanding, to get that next level? And sometimes my videos are very tactical. They're nuts and bolts. Here's how to run a Facebook ad. Click here, do this, click here, do that. But other times it's like this video where I'm helping you understand that you are your savior, that you have something special within you. And when you connect with that and you release that to the world, and then you get consistent, you do it for a long time, you will find that you create something that's 100% uniquely you. Now, if you're following any other systems, if you bought into some drop shipping course or some other course somewhere, I don't know what it is, great. Follow the course, but remember, you're always looking for that opportunity to really mix in your unique twist, your unique flavor to the system, because that is the magic, that's the secret sauce that makes you a unique individual, that makes you really more than a commodity is what it is. That's how you go from being just another face, another voice, another one in the crowd to something that's truly unique. It comes challenging to people, right? To put yourself out there, to get out and really be vulnerable on camera, that can be quite challenging. Even blogging, right? Under a pen name can still be challenging for people to publish. But once you get momentum going and you start to exercise the muscle of sharing your ideas, your beliefs, your passions, especially if you're in a niche, right? Maybe you help golfers correct their golf swing and you just get to start making your fun, unique videos about golfing and how it works. Or maybe you're in the real estate world like my friend in Ascension Parish, and Christina Smallhorn is absolutely crushing it, right? She's making these really fun and unique and goofy videos that are getting massive reach for being in a very small town, and it's totally working to help her get more business. She looked at what I was doing, she looked at some other really smart YouTubers, way smarter than I am, and she picked apart, okay, this is how they're all doing. She surveyed the land and then she mixed her unique bit with it. And if you haven't seen her channel, go check it out. I'm gonna give her a plug right now. Your Real Estate Whisperer, and it's Christina Smallhorn. Her videos are crazy. They're unique. They're like skits almost. It's really truly like a little bit of a comedy skit mixed in with some education. That's her style. That's her personality flowing through, right? Me, I'm pretty in a box. I'm kind of tactical. I go a little bit to the mindset, a little bit to the law of attraction, and a lot of click here, do this, click here, do that. That's fine. That's just what I do. You have something unique in you. So as you move forward, there's a lot that's talked about modeling, right? Find somebody who's creating the result that you want and model them. That's true to an extent, but you need to figure out how you can mix in your uniqueness, your unique flavor, that unique thing that makes you uniquely you. Mix that in and then release that to the world. And that, my friend, is when you will find that magical alignment of fun meets easy meets I'm helping people, and then you can get momentum going. And then you can make 20, 30, 50 videos. Then a couple years later, you got 100, 200, 300 videos going. At this point, you have an audience, you've got thousands of subscribers, you've got an email list that's growing, you have people who look forward to your next video. And at that point, whether the money is showing up in alignment yet or not, or you haven't figured out all the right systems and the things to sell, it doesn't matter. At that point, you have created the foundation of a successful business because you're engaged in the process of sharing what's uniquely you. And this can be uniquely about vegan dog food. It could be about some little tiny niche. It doesn't have to be digital marketing at all. In fact, it's easier when it's not digital marketing, when you're working in a really small sub niche. That's when things are magic. If you love building drones, great. Build drones. Document the process, share your personality, share your fails, share your drone crashes, right? Share it all and be 100% authentically you. That really, in today's world, that's the biggest piece of advice I could give you, is to just kind of wear your heart on your sleeve, put yourself out there and really share what's uniquely you, because you are your own X factor. There is no one else on this earth who has your upbringing, who has your parenting, who has that household you grew up in. Even if it was a really challenging household, like some of my, like I totally relate, I guess is what I'm getting at there, right? Like even if you grew up in a poor household, like I get it. We all have grown up with these challenges, but it's through this adversity that success is actually created. It's out of our adversity that makes us uniquely us. That's what makes us strong. That's what makes you perfectly positioned at this moment in time to help a group of people solve a problem. You are perfectly positioned to help a group of people achieve a goal if it's not solving a problem. What is that? What's that thing they're working on? I don't know. You know that for you. Go figure out what that is and go give of yourself and share and be authentically you. You'll be amazed at what happens. For years, I tried to be someone else. For years, I tried to force myself into being a blogger because I saw so many successful bloggers. For years, I thought I had to have it all mapped out, and I didn't start. I maybe started and then I stopped. I didn't make any progress at all. It wasn't until I said, F it, I'm doing these videos one way or another because I have to get this out. I can't get that voice out of the back of my head saying, Miles, make a video. Miles, share what you know, share what you know. So I started sharing what I know. Now I look forward to these moments I get to share with you. I look forward to just kind of getting to lay it all from the hip. When I have an idea, I knew what the title was of this video. I knew what the first 2 lines or sentences were I was going to speak on this video. And that's it. And I just start. And I know that I'm going to share something that's going to help you have an aha moment. And to me, the opportunity for me to get to share something to help you have an aha moment so you can go forth and make more progress and create positive change and impact in the lives of those who need your unique help is pretty special, pretty powerful. I'm honored to have that opportunity, but it wouldn't have shown up until I just started going with it. My first videos sucked. They were terrible. I wasn't comfortable at all, but now I feel comfortable. I feel like we've got something here and I enjoy it. And I thank you very much for your time. And I really just want to leave you with that reminder that you are a unique human being on this earth. You have something special inside of you that you came to this earth to share with the world. You can help leave the world a little bit better place when you're gone than it is at this exact moment right now. And that takes you joining into this digital world, creating your content, creating whatever the fruit is of that tree that you are. If you're an apple tree, go grow your apples. You got to get that out to the world. You'll feel better. You'll feel in alignment. You'll have more fun, more excitement, more passion in your life. And then when you start helping people and they start lining up and waiting, they get on your email list, waiting for you to reach out to them again, waiting for you to make another video, waiting for you to make another podcast or blog post for them, at that point, You have the foundation that you can build an incredibly successful business on that only you can build because you are uniquely you. You are your X factor. I hope this has helped. Leave me a comment if you've already started taking action. I want to know what kind of action you're taking. If this was the little straw that breaks the camel's back and gets you into action mode and you haven't been yet, let me know. If you have any questions, get at me in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this here on YouTube. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, click the bell so you get the new videos when they come up. I thank you very much for your time. I hope you move forward. I hope you start taking action if you're not already. I hope you double down if you already are taking action and know that you have a unique special thing that only you can bring out to this world. And I encourage you to tap into what that is and to get it going. You'll find more energy, more excitement than you've ever felt in your life when you tap into it. I know, I've experienced it. I'm living it. This moment right here with you is an expression of that. And on that note, I thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. I value your time, and I look forward to connecting with you on the next video. Till then, be well.